I'm not satisfied. This is not what I wanted. Like, you get a happy ending, but at what cost? I just didn't like it. It just didn't like it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tanya Isha. And in this video, I'm going to give all my thoughts on the book Fearless. Yes, I have completed the final series in The Powerless, and which is by Lauren Roberts. And I have to say that I have not expected this from this book. Means I have very much high expectation from the book, and this book have disappointed me in so many ways. And I'm genuinely shocked that a series that I have loved so much has ended the way it has ended. So I have, for the first time, made a list of all the things that I've disliked in a book, and I'm just so disappointed that I just didn't like the book. Look, maybe you might like the book and I didn't. It's not that you should not read it. If you want to read it, please go read it. It's just my thought on the book that I just want to share with you all. Okay. So without any further delay, let's start with the book. Okay. So I'm not going to give you any spoilers in just in case you have not read, but I'm going to give you an overview what this book is about. So the Reckless, the second book in the series, ended where Kai has chased Peyton and presented her in the court, and her penalty was she has to marry the king. That's how the second book ended, and that was very interesting to know how now it will proceed further. But to my dismay, the book started with again all that preparation for her wedding with the king, and we don't know why Kit wanted to do that. Okay, so the court was like, oh, I'm not ready to accept an ordinary as our queen. So Kai suggested that she will again went through a series of trials, and she will, if she'll be able to conquer that, then she will be our queen and no one will have a say against her. Okay, so this is how the book started. Now the half of the book is just that she is fighting here and there. Maybe sometimes she's in sand, sometimes she's in shallow. So that's all the book was about. I guess first half of the book was just that. One thing that I didn't like, that just imagine that there is, for example, let's imagine that there is this one creature that is very dangerous, like very dangerous. Everyone is scared of it, like it resides in sea, like it was a creature of sea, and ships have not sailed in that sea for like 200 years or something, and everyone is afraid of that sea because of that creature. And just imagine that Pei has to go in the country Isram or something, for which she has to cross the sea. Now just tell me one thing, that if something is so vicious, something is so haunting, and you face it and you just conquered it without anything, this is something that I really like. It was just too much. It was again, I felt like this Bollywood movies in which हीरो को कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है, वो कुछ भी कर ले, कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. The same thing happened with Kai and Peyton here. Like कितना बड़ा से बड़ा मुसीबत आ जाए, they are like, oh, हमें तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. I am not saying that. Look, there is one thing कि I'm not against that. I totally believe that Peyton's character was made in a way that she is very fearless and she has this inner strength and she can conquer everything that she wants. But what I'm saying is that the way that whole segment was dealt, I just still remember something happened. Kai को कुछ हुआ and then she is like, मैंने तो इससे बड़ी चीज़ें conquer की है, तो ये क्या चीज़ है? And I know its weakness क्योंकि मैं पिछले 5-10 मिनट से देख रही हूँ. It just didn't settle well with me, honestly. मतलब maybe कुछ और तरीके से उस scene को dealt कर दे, maybe थोड़ा सा और depth दे के, थोड़ा सा और, I don't know, maybe more death or something. Like I'm just want to say that अगर तुमने किसी species को इतना dangerous बनाया है, make the scene that way ना. I just didn't like how suddenly जब when Kai पे बात आई तो Peyton को अचानक से inner strength आ गया और वो उसको जाके मार डाली. Like something so vicious, उसने ऐसे मार डाला. I think that was an exaggeration. Okay, that was the first thing that I didn't like in the book. The second is relation between Kai and Peyton. Look, I love Kai. I love what the way he felt for Peyton, and half of the book is filled with his poetry. Okay, more than plot, the whole book is filled with Kai reciting poetry for Peyton. Okay, what I'm saying is that when you know, like, just tell me one thing: when you know that you have to marry someone, and it's your like consensual decision that okay, I am marrying this person, and still you are having affair with his brother, which is very wrong in my eye. I don't know how no one is questioning this. I know that we love these two people. I totally believe it. I'm not saying anything. But when it's that you are marrying someone and you are going to start a relation with that person, how are you having this affair with his brother? You can say that oh, still they are not married, but they are about to marry. They both have they both know they're going to marry, and still Kai and Peyton relation was going. It just didn't settle well with me. Even one day before marriage, Kai and Peyton were engaged with each other. The thing is, I love both of them, but I didn't like the way this whole thing was done in this book. I just didn't like. Okay, moving on to the third thing is Kit's character. Oh God, we both know. Let's agree on this thing that Kit was one of those characters that I have really loved. Okay, he was such a sweet boy, always someone that has always just wanted approval from his father. He just wanted love, and I just don't believe how the author ended his character. It's not that Kai was dead in the end. I just didn't like the way his character just flipped 360 degree. I just felt like ऐसा होता है ना कि इन दोनों को तुम्हें साथ में करना है तो तीसरे को तुम कैसे भी हटा दो. कोई सेंस नहीं है the way he has changed his character, the way everything has happened, the way कि उसने like he has this cruel plan or he wanted to kill this person and he wanted to be so stronger than his, like he ended up just being like his father. That's what it said. I didn't like it. We both know how Kit was so cute and lovable boy and how he has changed this viciously. I really didn't. I just didn't like I think this was the least favorite thing in the book, the way Kit's character was handled. Okay, I guess there were so many ways Kai and Peyton could have ended together, but I think the way the author has done with Kit is vicious. I didn't like it. I just didn't like it. Even after the book ended, even when Kai and Peyton were together, I was like, I'm not satisfied. This is not what I wanted. Like, you get a happy ending, but at what cost? I just didn't like it. It just didn't like it. So disheartened to tell you that I have lost my 2 clips after that. So I am recording this video while I was editing and I have to upload it tomorrow. So I'm just going to complete the video like this. Okay. So I didn't really like how the kid's character was being killed and how he drank dose of plague. So the whole point felt useless to me. Okay. So that was it. The next thing that I didn't like was how the first half of the book was just was done with trials and Kai and Peyton just proving herself, but how all the plot twist that was happening just unfolded in last 100 pages or something. Like it was like slow and then something like all of the thing that was happening in the last 100 pages. So that was that should not have done that way. Like it should have been like थोड़ा चीज़ reveal होता जा रहा है how the book was ending, but all of a sudden everything was just unfolding itself in the last 100 pages, which was quite so much eventful. So that was like at a point I was like it was not thrilling in a way, but it was more like, oh no, not this one again, no one more secret again. So it was like that. Okay. The last thing that I didn't like in the book was the incest plot. Okay, so I'm going to give a little spoiler, so if you have not read it you can skip it, but this was something that I didn't like. Kit and Peyton being related and that two siblings, and they were married. I didn't like it. I'm personally not a fan of incest, howsoever it has done. So I didn't like this plot of them being brother and sister just to nullify the whole point of marriage. I think the author could have come up with something different, a different idea. So I didn't like that one. So that was all that I didn't like in this book, and I am not saying that the book was disappointment or something. I just have so much high expectation from the book, from Lauren, but this is not something that I have expected. That doesn't mean that this book was not worth giving a try or read. So if you want to read it, please read it, because it also have some beautiful poetic lines when Kai was literally being a poet, a foolish poet for Peyton. The things that I've always loved are letters and emails in the book, and this book does fill with these letters exchange between Peyton and Kai, which I love. And there is also, of course, Kai, the man who are. We love the Kai character. His character was really good. Like there was also this one line that I really loved, that Kai said ki I can love two person at a time. Like it's not that I can only love Peyton or I can only love Kai. Like as a person, I can love these two different people at the same time. So that I liked it. The last moment between Kit and Kai was really heartwarming. So I loved that moment also. And the book did ended. We got our happy ending, but I was not satisfied, like I said. So I'm just going to give this book 3 out of 5 star. Initially I thought to give it 2.5, but I love Kai, you know. So I'm going to give this 3 out of 5 star. That was all I have to tell about this book. Thank you for watching, and do consider to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye, take care.